Did you know that your computer mouse can detect movement with incredible precision? It translates your slightest hand motions into digital actions in real time. That's pretty mind-blowing, right? In this video, you'll explore the fascinating technology behind computer mice and how they track movement to help you navigate your digital world. Stick around because you're about to uncover some cool secrets about this everyday device. Many people take their mouse for granted, unaware of the complex mechanisms at work that allow it to function so smoothly and accurately. We just move it around, click, scroll, and expect it to respond instantly. But have you ever stopped to think about what happens inside that little gadget? There's a whole world of technology at play that makes all this possible, and it's a lot more complicated than it seems. Whether it's the simple ball mouse or the advanced laser ones we have today, each has its own way of interpreting our movements. So, let's dive deeper into how all of this works. Now, let's talk about the different types of mice out there. You've probably heard of optical and laser mice, but what's the difference? They capture images of the surface thousands of times per second, detecting changes in the pattern as you move. This information is processed and converted into cursor movement on your screen. On the other hand, laser mice use a laser beam, which allows them to work on a wider variety of surfaces, even glossy ones. The key here is that both types of mice utilize sensors to detect movement, but in slightly different ways. The sensors in these mice are equipped with technology that helps them understand movement, direction, and speed. When you move the mouse, the sensor detects the movement and sends that data to your computer. This is where it gets fascinating. The computer then interprets that data and translates it into the movement of the cursor on your screen. It's like your hand is speaking a secret language that your computer can understand. So every tiny flick of your wrist is transformed into precise actions on your display. Pretty cool, right? So how exactly does this happen? Let's break it down. When you move your mouse, the sensor captures the images of the surface and compares them to see how far it has moved. It's a bit like how our eyes see things and our brain processes that information. The sensor is constantly taking snapshots of the surface and sending the data to the computer through a series of electrical signals. The computer then decodes these signals into movements, which you see reflected in the cursor. This is a blend of optical engineering, electronics, and software that works seamlessly together to create a smooth user experience. It's not just magic, it's science and technology coming together to enhance our interaction with the digital world. So to recap, your computer mouse is an incredible piece of technology that does much more than just point and click. From optical to laser sensors, each type of mouse uses sophisticated methods to detect movement and translate it into signals that your computer can understand. The next time you sit down to work or play, take a moment to appreciate the amazing technology behind your mouse and how it plays a vital role in your computing experience. If you enjoyed learning about how your mouse functions, check out our other videos on technology and gadgets. We love sharing interesting insights with you. And don't forget to let us know your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite tech gadget? We want to hear from you.